How to fix AirPlay not working on iPhone. Firstly, check your internet connection if it is stable or not. Now, another thing you have to check is if the device that you are using for AirPlay is nearby your iPhone or not. After that, now let's jump straight into the process. Open up your settings. Here we go. Scroll down. You can find this option of General. Open it. To work AirPlay, you have to toggle on all of the AirPlay settings. So open this option AirPlay and handoff. Now you have to toggle on this option of transfer to HomePod, handoff. Also open this option of automatically AirPlay to TVS. Open it. Now set it to automatic and now you are good to go. Now you can go and check if it is working or not. If this method doesn't work, then what you need to do is you have to reset your network settings. So scroll down, go to the option of General. Scroll on to the bottom. You can find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Open it. Now tap on reset given at the bottom. Now select the option of reset network settings. Now just enter your passcode and continue with the process. By applying this method, also your AirPlay can be fixed. If this method doesn't work, then the last thing you can do is you can update your software. For that, open your General. Here we go. Now tap on this option of software update. Open it. Update your software to its latest version. You can see that here software update is available, so you can just tap on download and install and update your software to its latest version. After you do that, your problem is surely gonna be fixed. This is how you fix your AirPlay not working on iPhone. By applying all of these methods, your problem is surely going to be fixed. At the end, if your problem is solved, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.